Winter roads can turn sketchy, and that's where a good set of tire chains can save the day. So in this video, I'm going through the 6 best winter tire chains that actually work. These aren't the clunky, pain-to-install types. These are smarter, easier, and made to keep you moving safely when the weather turns ugly. Whether you're driving up to the mountains, commuting through icy streets, or just want to be prepared for that surprise snowstorm, I'll have something for every driver and budget. You'll find links to the best prices for all the winter tire chains mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these tire chains aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Peerless S CCZ chains. This is the most budget-friendly winter tire chain on our list. If you need something reliable that keeps your car steady on icy or snowy roads without spending a fortune, these are a great pick. These winter chains are made with manganese alloy cross members, which means they're tougher than most standard chains and can handle rough winter roads without wearing out fast. These chains are quick and easy they are to install. You don't even have to move your car. Just wrap them around your tires, hook them in place, and they tighten on their own once you start driving. That's handy if you're stuck out in freezing weather. They also play nicely with modern vehicles like anti-lock brakes, traction control, and all-wheel drive. Plus, they meet SAE Class S clearance requirements. So if your car has limited space between the tire and wheel well, these will still fit. And the diamond pattern design gives you solid all-around traction, especially useful when roads are icy or uneven, and they come with a carrying case, some extra links, and even waterproof instructions, which is a nice touch for emergencies. This is what Stark says. I live in Colorado and recently bought a new car. The very first thing I did was buy new Z chains to fit the new wheel size. I don't need these very often, but when I do, they are truly incomparable. The amount of traction they give you will make you feel like a god driving among mortals. On my old front-wheel drive car, they were great. On my new 4-wheel drive car, they are absolutely amazing. Overall, if you want dependable winter traction without overcomplicating things or overspending, the Peerless SCCZ chains are hard to beat. Number 5 is the Koenig XG12. This is the most premium option on our list. This is a high-end winter tire chain and is made for serious winter conditions like snow, ice, and slush. These chains will give your ride an excellent grip without the hassle of bulky chains. It has a self-tensioning system, which means once you hook everything up, the chains automatically tighten as you drive. The color-coded setup also makes it easy to install, even if it's your first time doing it. They're made from manganese nickel alloy steel. It means they're tough, rust-resistant, and built to last. The diamond-shaped pattern spreads the traction evenly across the tire. It gives you smoother handling and better control compared to ladder-style chains that can feel bumpy. They even come with anti-scratch nylon bumpers, so if your car has alloy wheels, you don't have to worry about scuffing them. It also includes gloves and a kneeling mat for quick roadside setups, and the durable carrying case keeps everything tidy in your trunk. Now, they're compatible with ABS and traction control systems and meet multiple safety certifications like TUV and O-Norm, which says a lot about its high standard build. Overall, if you want premium build quality, easy installation, and rock-solid traction in any snowstorm, the Koenig XG12 is worth every penny. Number 4 is the AutoSock Snow Socks. This is the best snow sock on our list. Now, this is a great alternative to a tire chain as it's designed to give your car a serious grip boost when roads turn icy or snowy. It doesn't add any bulk to your tire like traditional tire chains. They're lightweight and made from a tough, high-friction fabric, a hairy material that clings to snow for extra traction. The more you use them, the hairier they get, which means better grip over time. Installing them is simple. It's a 3-step process. Slip them over your drive wheels, roll the car forward a bit, and pull the rest on. And you don't have to wrestle with metal chains in freezing weather. They also center themselves automatically once you start driving. When you're done, you can fold them up and toss them in your trunk. They barely take up any space. They're reusable too, so you can pull them out anytime the weather turns bad. As MJ wrote, easy to put on in and worked great. Have never used chains or been in a snowstorm. These were so easy to put on and made a stressful time so much less stressful. We were happy not to to have to struggle to put on chains. We pulled over, got them on, and were back on the road in less than 10 minutes, while others were still struggling to get their chains on. Now, they're not made for dry or gritted roads. They'll wear out fast there, but for snow-covered streets and parking lots, they make a big difference in control and braking. They usually cost way less than a set of winter tires, which makes it a solid alternative. Overall, if you want something safe, compact, and road legal in both the US and Europe, AutoSock snow socks are definitely worth keeping in your car. And if you want to know the latest prices for the winter tire chains discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Top 10 Emergency Tire Chains. This is the best quick-fix tire chain on our list. If you've ever been stuck in snow or mud with your tires spinning uselessly, you know that feeling of panic that hits. That's where these quick-fix tire chains will help you come out of snow and mud and will save you from a lot of hassle. They're made for moments when you just need a fast way to get moving again. This set comes with 10 lightweight nylon straps, and instead of the heavy metal chains that can scratch your rims or make a ton of noise, these use a flexible, durable plastic design. Plus, they're gentle on your tires and aluminum wheels, so you don't have to worry about damage. Each strap wraps around your tire and locks with a simple zip latch design. You don't need any tools or kneeling in the snow for long. Just tighten them on the drive wheels and you're good to go. They give your tires extra grip so you can pull out of slippery spots like snow, ice, or even mud. And besides being tire chains, you can also use them as traction or survival ropes when needed. So they're not just useful in winter, but handy to keep in your car year-round. Also, they're compact enough to stash in your trunk without taking up much space and are easy to carry around. For anyone who wants a simple, quick, and budget-friendly traction fix, these Top 10 Emergency Tire Chains are a great choice. Number 2 is the PLTM IV Universal Tire Chains. These tire chains are best for emergency use on our list. These universal tire chains can save you when you're caught in sudden snow or try to climb an icy hill with your tires spinning. They're built for quick emergency use when you need solid traction to get back on track. Each set comes with 8 chains made from a mix of alloy steel, manganese steel, and 133 aviation-grade wire ropes. That tells they're really tough. The design adds strength without being bulky. It resists rust and moisture too, which helps them last longer even in rough weather. Now, these are universal because they fit most tire sizes from 205 to 265 millimeter, whether you drive a car, SUV, MPV, or even a pickup truck. And the best of all, you don't have to move your car to install them. You can throw them on in about a minute using the built-in ratchet and bungee system. Everything you need comes in the bag, even the tool. Plus, they're easy to store, simple to carry, and perfect when you suddenly hit an icy patch or muddy road. Just don't drive faster than 25 miles per hour with them on, and avoid dry pavement since that can wear them down. Overall, if you want something durable, reliable, and quick to install in an emergency, these PLTM IV Universal Tire Chains are definitely worth keeping in your trunk. Number 1 is the Peerless Auto Track. This is the best overall winter tire chain on our list. This winter tire chain is made for SUVs and light trucks and is very easy to install. Just hook it on, close the built-in ratchets, and it automatically tightens and centers itself as you drive. You don't need any extra tools or retightening stops like most options on our list. Now, here's what Ricky wrote. Perfect fit, fairly easy to install, came with good instructions and a storage case. I have yet to use on the snow, but feel confident I can install when necessary. The self-tightening feature is a plus. I stored it behind the back seat of my pickup. The diamond pattern cross-chain design also makes a big difference as it gives you smoother traction, especially when you're driving over icy or uneven roads. It doesn't make your ride feel bumpy or rough like some cheaper options do. Plus, it's built tough enough to handle a few days of snow driving without wearing down fast, but it's recommended to keep your speed under 30 miles per hour with these on, as they're meant for steady and safe winter driving, not for highway racing. Overall, if you want peace of mind in a snowstorm without the headache of manual chains, the Peerless Auto Track is hands down the best all-around option. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect winter tire chain. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each tire chain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.